I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kajabi landing pages step by step. We'll start by understanding what a landing page is and why it's crucial for your online business. Then, I'll show you exactly where to find the landing page builder within Kajabi and introduce you to the fundamental components that make a page truly effective. This foundational knowledge will set you up for success in creating powerful pages. Now, let's dive into designing your page. Kajabi offers dozens of professional templates to get you started quickly. Select one that aligns with your goal, then personalize each section. You can easily drag and drop elements, change colors, and adjust fonts to match your brand. Remember to incorporate high-quality images and videos. They can significantly boost engagement and convey your message effectively. The heart of any great landing page is its content and call to action. Focus on writing clear, concise headlines that grab attention within 3 to 5 seconds. Your body text should explain your offer's value without overwhelming the reader. Most importantly, include a prominent call to action button, using action-oriented language like "Get instant access" or "Download now." Make your offer irresistible and easy to act upon. Before going live, always preview your landing page on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets, to ensure it looks perfect. Once satisfied, hit the Publish button to make your page accessible to the world. But your work isn't over. Continuously monitor its performance using Kajabi's built-in analytics. Look at conversion rates and visitor behavior to identify areas for improvement, aiming for a conversion rate of at least 2 to 5%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.